guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see a very easy masala free biryani recipe for all my biryani lovers. Here's this one for you. Let's see the ingredients and the quick recipe. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash the chicken very nicely. After washing it, I'm going to add some very simple spices, turmeric powder and salt for marination. Isn't it so simple? I'll mix it well and keep it aside for at least half an hour. Then I'm taking some spices, a bay leaf, cloves, star anise, some biryani masalas, right? Cinnamon, badi ilaichi, choti ilaichi, pepper, sauf, and I'm going to make it a coarse powder of this all masalas. Like this. Again, into a mixie jar, I am going to take some coriander leaves, some chilies, ginger, garlic. There are two types of garlic which I am adding today. Some pudina. To that, I am adding some water to it, and I am making it a fine paste. Into a cooker, I am heating some oil. Always use ghee and oil in equal proportion so that it increases the taste. Then I am adding the whole spices. To that, I am taking 2 sliced onion. Fry till golden brown. Add some salt. Once the onions are golden brown, to that we will add our chicken. Mix it well nicely and let the chicken get cooked with our fried onions. Close the lid and let it to simmer for at least 10 minutes on medium flame. Then I'm going to add some tomatoes. Let the tomatoes get cooked and mashed. That's it, our one ingredient, that is our coarse powder and the prepared paste. We are going to add both the things in the chicken and mix everything very well. I'm adding half a cup of curd. Mix everything well. Let it to simmer for 15 minutes on medium flame. Add salt as per taste. Trust me guys, this recipe is very simple to prepare and mostly for all the biryani lovers and bachelors too can make this recipe in just some minutes. Once you see the rawness of the masalas are gone, you can add in your rice. As per the quantity of rice, I have added water, and for garnishing I am adding some coriander leaves, mixing everything well and cook it for medium flame with 2 whistles. That's it guys, our green biryani, or you can consider as masala free biryani, is ready to serve. Wow, isn't it looking yummy? Please friends, do give it a try, and if you like my recipes, please like, share and subscribe my channel friends. Till then, enjoy!